If you're looking to create a client relationship management workflow on Top Echelon, you've come to the right place. In this quick guide, we'll walk you through setting up a CRM workflow that will streamline your process and help you get the most out of Top Echelon. Whether you're new to the software or just looking to optimize your current setup, you'll find valuable tips here. Top Echelon offers a comprehensive set of tools that make it easy to manage your client relationships, track interactions, and automate your workflows. The first step is getting familiar with the dashboard. This is where you'll be able to view all your data in one place and make adjustments quickly. The beauty of Top Echelon is its ability to organize everything efficiently, so you don't waste time searching for important information. Once you're in the dashboard, the first thing you'll want to do is set up your contact management. Top Echelon allows you to import and store your client's contact information, which is crucial for building a solid CRM workflow. From here, you can easily search for and filter through contacts based on specific criteria, making it super efficient when you're reaching out to clients or prospects. Now, let's talk about customizing your workflow. The key to a successful CRM strategy is having an organized process that tracks every client interaction from start to finish. In Top Echelon, you can create custom workflows for different types of clients or stages of the sales process. Whether you're tracking initial outreach, follow-ups, or finalizing deals, you can create a series of steps that automate these tasks. One feature that truly stands out in Top Echelon is its integration with email and calendar tools. You can set up automatic reminders for follow-ups and appointments, ensuring you never miss an opportunity. It's all about automating the mundane tasks so you can focus on what truly matters, building and maintaining strong client relationships. Another powerful aspect of Top Echelon is its reporting and analytics. Once your CRM workflow is set up, you'll want to track your results. The platform gives you detailed insights into your sales process, client engagement, and workflow efficiency. These reports help you identify areas for improvement, allowing you to adjust your approach in real time. One of the best things about Top Echelon is the flexibility it offers. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or part of a larger team, you can tailor the CRM workflow to suit your needs. You can add team members, assign tasks, and create collaborative spaces that ensure everyone is on the same page. As you move forward with creating your client relationship management workflow, remember that Top Echelon's cloud-based system ensures you can access your CRM from anywhere. Whether you're in the office or on the go, your workflow will be there when you need it. To get started with Top Echelon, you can access the platform completely free using the first link in the description below. As a bonus, you'll also receive an exclusive extended free trial, allowing you to explore all the features without commitment. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your client management to the next level. So, if you're looking to streamline your client relationship management process, Top Echelon is the tool for you. Whether you're just starting or looking to improve your existing setup, this software can help. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the exclusive offer in the description.